Hello, welcome back to Unboxing channel. Today I'll be reviewing a magnetic car mount. The company called Volport was kind enough to send me their 360 rotatable magnetic car mount. Their package is pretty tiny and cute. The box itself has some features on the front and back. Opening up the box, there are 4 magnetic plates including 2 small and 2 large round metal plates with 1 alcohol pad and 4 adhesive tapes. They give you many extras in case you want to take it off and put the mount in somewhere else. And here is the actual round magnetic disc with steel ball mount. It has very simple and easy installation, yet it has very strong and bulky feeling. And it's 360 rotatable. There's also a user manual and 4 clear film stickers inside. Before getting inside of the car, I'm just gonna make sure that I'm following the instruction because according to reviews, some people put their clear film on the dashboard instead of the back of the phone or put the magnetic plate on the actual device instead of phone case, and people still complain about it. I think you can put the clear film either on the back of your device or inside of the phone case, but I'm just gonna put the clear film on the phone cover just in case. And ta-da! The magnetic is very powerful and works really well. It won't fall down when you shake your phone. Let's test this out. First, I'm testing if the adhesive works on the smooth material. Yep, it latches well and it's rotatable. It doesn't block the air vent area either since it gives some gaps between the air vent and the device. I think this is pretty convenient. Now I'm going to replace the old adhesive and locate the car mount to the real dashboard area. The adhesive works well and it's stable, but it's hard to rotate from this angle since it's not horizontal and the magnetic is way too strong. I don't think the adhesive works on every car. Not all dashboard is made with the same material and some car just doesn't stick at all. But mine works fine, not too strong though. Oh well, I have no issue with driving as long as the adhesive is strong and supports my phone. It's all good to go. Overall, I really like this car mount. It's easy and convenient to use since the car mount size is very small and simple. The price is $16.99 and you can get this product from their website or Amazon. For more information, please see the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye!